Picture stepping into a playground of possibility, the moment Pharrell commands the stage and Louis Vuitton's SS26 menswear show begins. The air pulses with freedom, an anthem that instantly sets the tone. This is a celebration, not just a collection. Welcome to GTWJ, Girl Talk with Ju, and I am so glad you're here. I'm still buzzing from Louis Vuitton's Spring-Summer 2026 men's lineup. It's more than clothes. It's a story of liberation, playfulness, and emotional depth. And today we're breaking down every nuance, the song curation, the color palettes, the silhouettes, the runway setting, even the light and sound design. 1. Opening vibes and Pharrell's influence. From the first beat of Freedom, Pharrell's presence is profound. He embodies the spirit of reinvention and joy. That energy seeps into every look. You don't just watch, you feel emboldened. Choosing Freedom signals that the collection isn't constrained by tradition. This is modernity with heart. 2. Color palette. Soft power earth tones grounded in pastel highlights. Think sandy beiges swirled with mint and lilac. Pharrell's affinity for muted optimism shines through here. These colors speak of comfort with a twist, sophistication that doesn't take itself too seriously. Approachable luxury. 3. Silhouettes. Fluid and free, oversized linen suits with soft shoulders, shirts with open necks, gently billowing trousers. There's no armor here, it's fashion made to breathe with you. The fluidity caters not just to aesthetics, but to the psychological need for ease. Comfort meets confidence. 4. Signature textures and details. Notice the calls to Louis Vuitton heritage. Tonal monograms woven in subtle jacquard, artisanal patches updated for spring. The juxtaposition of bold logos on airier fabrics says, I'm here, but I don't need to shout. That tension between presence and discretion is so powerful. Styling and accessories. Pharrell's effect is visible even in small touches. Sporty crossbody pouches, translucent sunnies. These accessories nod to streetwear but curated with a luxe lens. They don't create hype, they anchor it. Punk attitude meets runway polish. 6. Runway setting. Memory and modernity. The runway is light, open, timeless. It acts as a clean canvas. You focus on the clothes, on the individuals. That space, overlaid with sounds of soft laughter and distant beats, centers the audience in a world of intentional calm. 7. Song choices and emotional arc. Freedom starts it all. But as the show flows, we hear remixed beats with mellow percussion, a soundtrack of breaking free, but in steps. You sense evolution, first bold, then introspective. That emotional arc mirrors how we dress, from expressive beginnings to subtle returns. Each of these pieces doesn't just look good, they tell a story about balance, about nuance, about identity. Pharrell's collaboration isn't just a celebrity cameo, his identity shapes the collection's worldview. He asks us to rethink luxury, not as exclusive, but as accessible inner strength. People's voices included, backgrounds honored, comfort celebrated. 10. What you can wear now. Start with a softly tailored linen blazer, layer it over basics for ease. Add tonal accessories, hats, crossbody bags as style anchors. Stick with sandy neutrals and puffed pastels. They adapt to multiple moods. This is style that empowers you with intention, not for trend. This was Louis Vuitton SS26, at once playful and poised. They didn't reinvent the house, they reframed it for a world craving warmth and authenticity. It was design taught by emotion, leadership spoken through fabric. If this resonated, subscribe and share your favorite look in the comments. You can find me over on Instagram at GTWJMag, where I'm breaking down more of these shows chapter by chapter. And before we close, let's talk about the symbolism behind Pharrell's creative choices this season, because every show under his direction has layers. Notice how the collection plays with nostalgia. Those 90s retro-futuristic sunglasses and crisp linen tailoring recall an era when men's fashion wasn't about performance, but about personal ease. This isn't accidental. Pharrell understands that in 2025, luxury consumers aren't chasing labels, they're chasing mood. And he delivers that mood through heritage house codes filtered by pop culture memories. Even the Freedom track isn't just a soundtrack, it's a thesis. Pharrell is quietly rewriting what menswear at Louis Vuitton means, not just as a status symbol, but as a vehicle for self-liberation. Every wide-leg trouser and open-collar shirt whispers the same message. Loosen up, claim your space, wear what makes you feel unburdened. And that's a profound shift in an industry obsessed with rigidity. Luxury isn't about scarcity anymore, it's about identity. Pharrell's LV is proof that the future of fashion lies in emotional intelligence. It's no longer about shocking silhouettes or overdone statements. It's about understanding how clothes make people feel and how they let them move through the world. This show is a masterclass in soft power dressing, the art of expressing presence through calm confidence. I'll leave you with this. Notice how almost none of the models looked stiff or rehearsed. There was ease, natural strides. That's a very deliberate psychological play. Pharrell isn't selling product, he's selling a feeling. And if you felt it watching this, that's the new luxury. If you want more breakdowns like this, not just what was shown, but what it means, make sure to hit subscribe, share this with your fashion-obsessed friends, and follow at GTWJ Mag on Instagram, where we dissect every show, every mood, and every message behind fashion's biggest moments. This is GTWJ, where fashion thinks deeper. See you in the next one. Stay curious, stay confident, and keep your style yours.